Another major tributary of the Ganga flows through the northern part of the Greater Himalaya. So this river is also flowing towards the northern part of the Greater Himalaya, that is Ganga River. Crosses the Himalaya and enter to India. So this river is also flowing towards the Himalaya and it's entering into the India. When it flows through the Himalaya, it is called Sangpo. जब वो river Himalaya में flow करता है तो उसको हम Sangpo river बोलते हैं. But when it crosses the Himalaya, it is called Dihang. It is also called as a Brahmaputra river. So when it enters into the Uttarakhand, it is called that Dihang river. But in India, we called as a Brahmaputra. But from time to time, Ganga meets tributaries, hence its discharge of increases. So because of the deposition of rocks, sediments, and sand, this river is having a huge discharge of water, and because of that, what happens? The area becomes a plain area in that particular region. Ganga received Brahmaputra and its tributary and its lower reaches in Bangladesh. So as you all know, these Brahmaputra rivers are having a tributaries and it's meeting to the Bangladesh of West Bengal of Bangladesh. The huge volume of water and huge deposition has led to the formation of large delta. So this river is also having and they are forming the deltas over there. So I have told you about the Sundarbans of delta. We also call it the Sundari trees. So that you will find in the Bangladesh and the West Bengal side. Beside these Himalayan rivers, Ganga receive a number of tributaries like peninsula. So in peninsula, which rivers you will find? Like Chambal, Ken, Betwa, Shon, Damodar, etc. These are the rivers which flow towards the peninsula regions. Now we'll see peninsular rivers. The peninsular river is also having a monsoonal river. Means that river depends on the monsoon, then it runs. The peninsular river system can further be divided into east flowing, meeting the Bay of Bengal. So these peninsular rivers are meeting to the Bay of Bengal regions, and they are west flowing towards the be meeting to the Arabian Sea. So this river is also flowing towards the Arabian Sea. The Western Ghats from a river major divided into the peninsular region. So the Western Ghat is also having a major river and they are divided into the peninsular regions. The peninsular rivers being rain feed rivers. Rain feed means they are dependent on the rain. Seldom face the problem floods. They are seasonal in nature. So they are seasonal in nature. As I told you, okay, these rivers flow because of the rain season. The west flowing rivers occupying the area between the Western Ghats and the Arabian coastline are short in length but swift. So these rivers are also occupying the Western Ghats of the Arabian Sea. But the coastline, when you see the coastline are very short width and they are moving with the swift of the river. This condition of short and swift river system exists in the states of Kerala, Karnataka, Maharashtra and southern part of the Gujarat. So these are the rivers which are having the swift of the slopes of the river and they are meeting to the states are the four states you will find. You can learn these states which are having the short swift of the river, but these rivers are the coastline rivers, not the main rivers. Further northwards, Kawan comes across the river system flowing into the Gulf of Khambat. So in the Gulf of Khambat, you will find these rivers: Tapi, Narmada, Mahi and Sabarmati. These are the rivers which flowing to the Gujarat. Tapi and Narmada flow slowly through Rift Valley. So these are the rivers which flowing to the Rift Valley. Rift Valley means over there you will find the mountains between the river. Mahi river flow from northeast to southwest direction. So the Mahi river is also flowing from northeast to the southwest direction of the river Sabarmati, collecting its headwaters. So Sabarmati is collecting the headwater, means this is the main river of the Gujarat. From the southern slope of Aravalli ranges flow in somewhat north-south direction. So Aravalli ranges is also there in between and it takes the turn to the Aravalli mountains of the ranges of the river. It originates along the west slope of Aravalli ranges and flow in the somewhat northeast to southeast direction and flow into the Gulf of Kutch. So this river is also originating from the western slope of Aravalli range and it's in somewhat means in Luni river is also stopping in between, that is the Gulf of Khambat. This is the Gulf of Kutch. You will find this Luni river, you will find it is stopping in middle of the Aravalli ranges. Next is river meeting the Bay of Bengal. So which are the rivers flowing to the West Bengal of river? Most of the rivers of the peninsula is drained by the river flowing towards the Bay of Bengal. The important river system of this group are Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. Mahanadi basin occupies the northeast part of the peninsula. So peninsula region is also having the big type of river that is called Mahanadi river. This is the basin of these four rivers which are there on that page number 22. Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, these are the tributaries of that Mahanadi river basin, and that you will find in the peninsula region. Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri originating in the eastern slope of the Western Ghats. So they are having the eastern slope towards the Western Ghats of two rivers, that is called Godavari and Krishna. River Godavari is the second largest river system of India in terms of the catchment area. So this river, Godavari river, is the second largest river in the world of India. This is a catchment river that you can call. The south of river is located the basin of river Krishna. Its major tributaries is Bhima and Tungabhadra. Means the Godavari river is located near the river Krishna, and they are also having the tributaries of Bhima and Tungabhadra. Tributaries means they are adding water to the Godavari. This Bhima and Tungabhadra. River Kaveri basin flow through the state of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. It is one of the major rivers of peninsula. It is a river that has been harassed for irrigation since a long time. So when the states are not getting water from their area, they are getting the irrigation, they are having the canals. So they are collecting the waters from the Kaveri basin and they are entering into the Karnataka and Tamil Nadu states because of the irrigation. People are having shortage of water. So because of that, what happened? They are collecting waters from the Kaveri basin through the river basin. So hope you have understood this chapter. Next we will see the climate. Thank you for watching the video.